Welcome to my channel Digital Challenge Academy with Rimanshu.
Hello friends and welcome. Today we are going to learn how to make our LibreOffice Impress presentations much more dynamic. You know, a presentation that has some movement is one that keeps your audience awake and engaged. So chalo, let's get started.
So tell me this, you have put in so much hard work, Yar. You've gathered all your data, structured all your points, but when you look at the final presentation, does it just feel a little bit plain, a bit flat? Don't worry, this is a very common problem, and today we are going to fix it.
Now, the first and most important thing to understand is the difference between transitions and animations. They sound very similar, but their jobs are completely different. The easiest way to remember is this. Transitions are for the whole slide. Think of it like turning a page in a book, you see? But animations will hote hain for the individual things on the slide. Your text, your pictures, your charts.
Cholo, first up, let's make our slides flow smoothly from one to the next. For that, we will use transitions.
Adding a transition is very, very simple. Please do one thing. Open the sidebar on the right-hand side and click on the slide transition icon. The one that has that little star. From there, you will see a whole list of effects. Just pick one you like, maybe wipe or fade. And Impress will even show you a quick preview right there.
And here is a pro tip for you. This will save you a lot of time. Instead of applying transitions one by one to every single slide, that is a waste of time, just use the Apply to All Slides button. This makes sure your entire presentation has a clean and consistent, professional feel. Ekdam simple.
Okay, so your slides are now flowing very smoothly. But what about the individual bullet points, the images, and the charts on them? That is where we bring objects to life with animations.
So what is this custom animation? It is all about controlling those individual elements. This is how you make your first point appear on a click, then the second point, or have an image fly in from the side. All you have to do is select your object, go to the animation panel in the sidebar, and add an effect. And LibreOffice has made this very easy for us by organizing animations into 3 color-coded types. Green is for entrance. That is how an object appears on the slide. Yellow is for emphasis, making an object do something to grab attention, like spinning or pulsing. And red is for exit, how an object leaves the slide. Simple, no?
Great, so you've added an animation to an object. But the main question is, when does it happen? This is where you get full control. You are the boss here. Let's look at the timing and triggers.
The most basic and common option is on click. Iska matlab, the animation will just wait for you. It will only start when you click your mouse or press the arrow key. This is perfect for when you are presenting and want to control the pace yourself.
Coming to the next point, we have with previous. Now, you use this when you want 2 or more things to happen at the exact same time for maximum impact. For example, you could have a title and an image appear together by setting the second animation to start with previous.
The third option is after previous. This one is perfect for creating an automatic sequence. As soon as one animation finishes, the next one begins automatically, without you needing to click. It's a great way to create a smooth, continuous flow of information.
And one final control tip. Look for the duration option. This lets you change the speed of the animation. If you want a fast, punchy effect, use a short duration, like 0.5 seconds. For a slower, more dramatic entrance, make it longer. Pura control aapke haath mein hai.
So now you know the difference between transitions and animations, and you know how to control their timing. Bahut theory ho gayi. Now it's your turn to open up Impress and practice. Dekha? With just a few simple clicks, you can change a static presentation into something interactive, engaging, and completely professional. It's not so difficult, is it?
All right, before we go, a quick homework question to see if you were paying attention. For animating individual objects, which icon do we click in the sidebar? Let me know your answer in the comments below. That's all for this explainer. See you in the next one.